introduce yourself to us?
I used to be Copycat, but now I'm subscribed as The Cat.
Alright, you've made it to the quarterfinals. Did you expect this?
I hoped it, and I'm prepared to go on, so I'm quite happy that I passed it.
Yeah, so you're prepared, so you've been practicing at home a lot for this championship?
Yeah, at home and other homes, and on the street, on the bus.
Alright, and why do you participate in this championship? Just for fun, or really because you want to, you know, show people that you're the number one, or is there any specific reason?
Well, it has all kinds of reasons. It's like, the latest time I don't have that much gigs, so it's gonna boost that thing, so people can see me and contact me if they want me to beatbox at their parties.
Yes, alright.
So, and also I think I have a good chance to be in the top 3.
Alright.
So I think it will be a good push for the career.
Alright. And do you know the judges? Do you like the judges? Do you think they're good beatboxers?
Yeah, I think CD's world champ, so he must be a good beatboxer. From Darnie I saw something on YouTube, I thought it was really good, and then from Bloody Chris also I saw things on YouTube.
And where do you get your inspiration?
Everywhere, everything.
And are you nervous to go on stage later on this night, battle for a lot of people, in front of a lot of people?
Not really.
Not really, you've been doing this for a while?
Yeah, I've got stage experience, so that goes away, but the thing is, the difference between a gig and a battle is that there's more stress to a battle than to a gig, because you have to perform in 1 minute and a half, and it's like really in that time you have to do it, so it brings you a little more stress for you.
Alright, and could you give us a little preview of what's coming in the next rounds from you?
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? This is some beatbox. Killing in the name of what I told you. Got to do 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 what I told you.